She had a new job.
but she did not know what to say.
Everything was in English.
Today is Maya's first day at her new job.
She is excited, but also very nervous.
She needs to speak English with her boss.
With her colleagues, with everyone in the office.
In this story, you will hear real English at work.
You will learn words for the office, meetings, and everyday work conversations.
Listen carefully, speak slowly, and follow along with Maya.
Let's begin.
Maya wakes up at 6:30 in the morning.
She puts on her best clothes. She checks her bag 3 times.
She's ready, but her heart is beating fast.
She arrives at the office at 8:55, 5 minutes early.
A woman at the front desk smiles at her.
Good morning. You must be Maya.
Yes. Hello, I'm Maya Chen. Today is my first day.
Welcome. I'm Sarah. Let me take you to your desk.
Sarah walks Maya through the office. It is big and busy.
This is the break room. There is free coffee here.
Oh good, I love coffee.
And this is the meeting room. Your team meeting starts at 9:30.
A meeting? On my first day?
Don't worry. Just listen. You will be fine.
Sarah takes Maya to her desk.
This is your desk. Your computer login is in this email.
Thank you, Sarah. You are very kind.
Maya sits down. She looks at the computer.
A man walks over. He is tall and friendly. He is Maya's boss.
Hi, Maya. I'm David. Welcome to the team. How are you feeling?
A little nervous, but I'm happy to be here.
That's completely normal. We all felt that way on day 1.
Thank you. I will do my best.
I know you will. I'll introduce you to the team at the meeting. Sound good?
Yes? That sounds great. Thank you, David.
Maya opens her computer. There is already one email from David.
The email says, Welcome, Maya. Your first task, please hand in a short introduction by end of day.
Hand in. That means give to someone. Submit.
Maya reads the email again. She starts to write.
Let's stop here for a moment.
We heard some important words. Let's practice them now.
Colleague.
Colleague. Colleague. A colleague is someone you work with.
Colleague.
Break room.
Break room. Break room. The break room is a place in the office to rest and eat.
Break room.
Deadline.
Deadline. Deadline. A deadline is the last time you can finish a task.
Deadline.
Hand in.
Hand in. Hand in. To hand in something means to give it to your boss or teacher.
Hand in.
Good. Now let's continue.
At 9:30, Maya walks to the meeting room.
6 colleagues are already sitting there. They all look at Maya.
David smiles.
Everyone, this is Maya. She joins us today as our new assistant.
Hi everyone, I'm Maya. I'm very happy to be here.
The colleagues smile. One woman waves.
Hi Maya. I'm Lily. I sit right next to you. Ask me anything.
Thank you, Lily. That is very kind.
The meeting starts. David talks about a new project,
He speaks quickly. Maya listens very carefully.
but there's one word she does not understand.
David says, "The deadline for this project is Friday. We need everyone on track."
On track. Maya is not sure what this means.
She raises her hand. Her voice is a little shaky.
Excuse me, David, I'm sorry. Could you repeat that? What does on track mean?
David smiles. He is not angry at all.
Of course. On track means everything is going as planned. No problems.
Oh, I understand now. Thank you.
Great question, Maya. Never be afraid to ask.
After the meeting, Lily walks with Maya back to their desks.
You did well in there. It takes courage to ask questions.
I was so nervous. I thought everyone would think I was slow.
Not at all. We all ask questions. That is how we learn.
Maya feels better. She sits down and looks at her computer again.
At 4 o'clock, Maya finishes her introduction. She's ready to hand it in.
But then she sees something. She made a small spelling mistake.
Maya feels her face go red.
She quickly fixes the mistake. Then she sends the email to David.
2 minutes later, David replies.
Thank you, Maya. This is great. Well done on your first day.
Maya reads the message slowly. She smiles.
She did it. Her first day at work. In English.
It was not perfect, but it was real. And that was enough.
Today, Maya made mistakes.
She was nervous. She didn't understand every word.
But she asked. She listened. She tried again.
Remember this.
Mistakes are not the end.
Mistakes are how you begin.
Mistakes are not the end. Mistakes are how you begin.
Say it again, slowly.
Mistakes are not the end. Mistakes are how you begin.
Now it's your turn.
We will say some sentences from today's story.
Listen first, then repeat. Say it out loud.
Are you ready? Let's begin. Today is my first day.
Today is my first day.
Could you repeat that, please?
Could you repeat that, please?
I'm not sure I understand.
I'm not sure I understand.
I need to hand this in by end of day.
I need to hand this in by end of day.
Never be afraid to ask.
Never be afraid to ask.
Mistakes are not the end. Mistakes are how you begin.
Mistakes are not the end. Mistakes are how you begin.
Excellent. You are doing so well.
That is the end of today's story.
We hope Maya's first day helped you learn real English for work.
Now tell us in the comments,
Have you ever spoken English at work or in a job interview?
what was the hardest part? We want to know.
And if this story helped you, please share it with a friend who is learning English.
I'm Alex.
I'm Mia.
See you next time.